Namaste friends, Happy Nrsimha Jayanti. Today we will be reciting the Rinamochana Nrsimha Stotram. And Nrsimha Stotra which is chanted for relief from debts and loans. Let us chant this stotra today on this auspicious Nrsimha Jayanti. Dhyanam Vagishayasya Vadane Lakshmiryasya cha vakshasi Yasyaste hridaye samvit tam nrsimhamaham bhaje. Om Devanam karya siddhyartam sabhastamba samudbhavam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Lakshmyalingita Vamangam Bhaktanam Abhayapradam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Prahlada Varadam Shrisham Daityeshwara Vidaranam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Smaranat Sarva Papagnam Kadruja Vishanashanam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Antramaladharam Shanka Chakrabjayudadharinam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Simhanadena Mahata Digdanti Bhayadayakam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Koti Surya Pratikasham Abhicharika Nashanam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Kruragrahaih Piditanam Bhaktanam Abhayapradam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Vedanta Vedyam Yajnesham Brahma Rudradi Samstutam Shri Nrsimham Mahaviram Namami Rinamuktaye. Idam yah patate nityam Rinamochaka sangyakam Anrani jayate sadyo Dhanam shigram avapnuyat. Sarva siddhi pradam nrinam Sarvaishvarya pradayakam Tasmat sarva prayatnena Patet stotramidam sada. The Palashruti mentions whoever recites this stotra, which is named Rinamochaka, will become free of debts immediately and will attain wealth quickly. This him is capable of granting all the siddhis and all kinds of wealth. Hence, this should be recited regularly with all due efforts. Thank you for listening.